Myself, Satish Goda, Assistant Professor and HOD, Department of Zoology, Government First Grade College of Arts, Science and Commerce, Sira. Today, in this session, I am going to speak on a topic, byproducts of silk industry. The topic belongs to Tumkur University, 3rd BSc, 6th semester Zoology, Paper 7, Applied Zoology. What are the byproducts of silk industry? There are various byproducts of silk industry. They are pupae oil or mulberry fruits or silk threads remainings and mulberry plant leaves, etc. Here is the list of useful byproducts that emerge or that produced from the silk industry or emerged from the silk industry. So first one is the silk filament, which is removed from the cocoons by reeling process. The remaining parts of the pupal covering are used for the manufacture of garlands. The garland is manufactured out of these shells in Bangalore itself. So after reeling out the silk filament, the remaining pupal remainings or covering of the pupal covering of the cocoon is used for the manufacture of garlands, and garland is prepared in even in our headquarter Bangalore itself. Then the oil is extracted from dead pupa. The second one is oil which is extracted from the dead pupae. This is used in soap industries. So after extraction of the oil, the remaining the cake is used for the poultry feed. The fecus of the silkworms are used in the extraction of vitamin E and vitamin K. See, oil is extracted from the dead pupae. After extracting the oil from this dead pupae, the cake which is coming out by this process, that cake is used for the food purpose in the poultry itself. So these cakes are used for the food purpose in poultries or fowling the fowls na ಸಾಕಾಣಿಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಪೌಲ್ಟ್ರಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಆಹಾರವನ್ನಾಗಿ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಯಿಲನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ದ ನಂತರ ಬಂದಂಥ ಕೇಕ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, that has to use that is useful in the poultries as a food. And even the fecus of the silkworm, see, silkworm fecus are used in the extraction of vitamin E and vitamin K. This is another one byproduct of silk industry. And the activated carbon and acid resistant plastic sheets are made from fecus of silkworms. My God, see here, activated carbon and acid resistant plastic sheets are made from the fecus of silkworms. So it shows that the fecus of silkworm contains how much of quality ingredients which are very much resistant to the acid and which can be useful to prepare the plastic materials or plastic sheets. This is also used in the production of biogas, means the silkworm fecus is also used in the production of biogas along with cow dung. Silkworm fecus are excellent organic manure and fish food. So silkworm fecus is also used as a fish food in fisheries. Then the remaining of the mulberry leaves after feeding silkworms are given to the milch cows. This increases the milk yield, hence popularly saying that silk and milk. It's a very rhyming word. Silk and milk is popularly saying silk and milk, because that mulberry leaves, remaining mulberry leaves, feeding after silkworms, the remaining mulberry leaves are given to the milch cows. Hence this milch cows increases the yielding in milk, their milk. Hence popularly saying it as silk and milk, which reveals the complementary relationship between sericulture and livestock. Then the branches of mulberries are used for the manufacture of farm tools. Superior paper can also manufacture from mulberry stem. So even paper also, we can manufacture the paper also by using the stems of this mulberry plants. And mulberry fruits are edible. When these edible mulberry fruits can also used in the wine industries for making wine. So we can also prepare the wine in wine industries by using these mulberry fruits, as these mulberry fruits are edible. Stems of matured mulberry trees. So ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆದಂತ ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಮೆಚೂರ್ಡ್ mulberry trees. These tree stems are used in preparation of cricket bats. So cricket bats are prepared by the use of this manufacture mulberry stems of mulberry trees. Matured stems of mulberry trees. Then leaves of mulberry plants are medicinal value too. The leaves of this mulberry plants are having various medicinal values. Hence these leaves can use us in the treating of many diseases as a medicine they are using. And this is a small topic, that is byproducts of silk industry. These are the byproducts, even oil and mulberry fruits, mulberry leaves, mulberry stems, even the silk threads. These are all the, and pupae oil, then silkworm fecus, then the remainings of silk filaments. These are all byproducts of silk industry, which are various used by the various producing the various things, and they have their own useful or benefits. These byproducts are very much useful, which are used in various things. This is about byproducts of silk industry. So I will stop here. Thank you very much.